All right, YouTube. So you're probably wondering in this video, why am I holding the microphone? I got something really special for you to look at. And we're going to explore a new product together. This is from a company where I've actually made some videos on their products in the past. And they sent me one almost like a month ago or so. I have been very busy because we have moved. You can see we have a new setup and looks like this is a permanent home. We're actually inside the 247 Media Group studio now. So all of our photography, video work is all happening here. We have music production there, and it allows us to be able to produce videos. It allows us to produce music videos. It allows us to produce, live streams and get better and better at what we can do. And in a future video, I'll show you the setup down there, which has the consoles and everything feeding into a Mac, and it runs the entire studio. So anyway, hopefully you like it. Slightly different. It's a change for me, but that's not what this video is about. What is this video about? This video is about a very cool product, and it's right here. And this product is a magnetic mount made by Sandmarc that many of you bought their products from my reviews in the past. And they've sent me this a while back. And, everyone makes like a cell phone mount. This one's kind of cool because you don't just have a mount. You also don't have to get a separate gimbal, or not even just a gimbal, but even like a ball head tripod and all of that. You don't need to do any of that, right? It's all built in. So the product is pretty incredible. Not very expensive, but it actually has a ball head built into it. So, no matter what you do, you're good to go. I am going to show you the magnetic piece of this puzzle first, really quick, because I think it's important to point out how strong the magnets are on this thing. So with that, I am going to mount, let me just try to do this, right? So I'm trying to do this by myself. If I had help, it would be a little different. I need to get my son in here to do more things, but this is metal. It's part of a microphone stand, and this is the magnet here, right? You can already see what it's doing. But if you get proper contact and surface on this thing, it kind of does that, right? And I'm going to mount now my microphone onto it like that. So now the microphone is mounted onto it. It does have a mic, a standard hot shoe, cold shoe. And obviously you can mount your cell phone here. So your cell phone would go more like that. And now your cell phone is mounted on with this magnet. And you can see I'm flipping it this way. It will not let go of that magnet. So let me go ahead and tighten this guy down so it doesn't turn. That's because it's got so much power in that magnet. Even if I try to turn it around, it'll stay locked on. I've seen many of these type of things in the past, but the magnets, they don't really hold too well, and they don't do a good job. I wanted to make this video quite some time ago, and I did not because I wanted to really be able to use this first more. I plan to use this a lot more with my GoPro, and I'll do future videos with what I'm doing with that. But there's a little knob here or screw here that you can unwind a little bit, and then you can move it around in any direction you like. So if you wanted to make, content vertically, you could literally do this and still be able to shoot. So stuff like that. Now I'm going to show you how hard it is to get this off, you know, and I'll show you. I'm actually pulling. It's not easy to pull it off, right? So if you think this thing is going to fall apart, it's not. I'm telling you guys, this is not just your run-of-the-mill mount. I mean, here, I'm going to grab it again and pull. I have to literally do this to pull it apart. So it is pretty amazing on how strong the magnet is. This is extremely high quality. It's not just some piece of junk that you get for $10 on Amazon. It actually is truly a quality product, and I've had the opportunity to use it for some time. The best part that it has, and it's got a 1/4 down here, so it allows me to do this if I don't have a magnetic surface available, and I do this. And so I'm going to end sort of this review with leaving this turned into a little tripod here. So we get perfect sound, and I don't have to touch it. I don't have to clip it. I don't have to do any of that, right? So it's right here with me. The beauty of this is you can put it anywhere. You can put it in the frame, outside of the frame. That's kind of cool. Sandmarc has been making some incredible products. I've actually been impressed on every single product that they've sent me. I use them, that's the big thing. And I know many of you use them because you've seen my reviews and you guys go out there and buy them and then you actually use them. So they're obviously doing something right? And they're not trying to copy others. They're trying to make products that really stand out from the others. A lot of people copy each other's designs and things like that. But these guys have thought through this a little bit, to be able to do the things that they want. One last thing I'll leave you with is you can unscrew this part and take this part out. If you really don't want to use the magnetic part and just use the foam piece, you could do that. It's kind of cool, right? But if you do want to use the magnetic piece of this puzzle, you can literally just screw that back on like that, and now it's on there. So it has a lot of flexibility for the product. The links will be in the product as well, in the description section below in the tagged product. So click on it and order one for yourself and try it. Honestly, I've been using it a lot. I actually like it. It's kind of cool, man. It frees me up because when I move my hands and stuff while doing my videos, it doesn't mess up the sound, right? I don't have to worry about I can't do this, or I can't really truly be who I am with my hand gestures and things like that, because that's how I talk. That's how I am. That's who I am. And sometimes these mics here get in the way. A mic that is sitting out here is kind of cool because it allows me to be able to be me. And it gives you clean audio, right? No matter where I am. So sometimes you don't have that liberty and you just have to clip on. Okay, fine. But when you do have a choice with a little gadget, tool, whatever you want to call it like this, it makes life very easy. So with that, that's the end of this review. You let me know in the comments below if you have something like this or you use it, how you use it. And if you're going to give this a go, you really should. Please use the links below. The channel is actually growing at a pretty rapid pace. I've been watching it. And I am trying to kind of broker a deal with my son to see if we can truly get him to be much more active on this channel. If you guys would like to see that, leave a comment below. And what I would like to really do is truly build something that many people want to come back to. I have a lot of very off videos when it relates to technology that most others are not making because they obviously don't have that exposure into the real world and the corporate world, what's really happening with AI and other things. So with that, I will, like to take a moment and actually thank all of you for taking the time to spend your time watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have enjoyed using this product for about a little over a month now. And thank you again to Sandmarc for sending it to me. I didn't pay for it. They sent it to me to review. It's here. But that relationship with them has been pretty great, because every time they come out with something new, they're always looking for my opinion. And not that it matters as much. I really value, their partnership and their relationship. So hopefully they'll continue to make products like this that make life easy for me, you, others. That's the whole idea. So with that, like, subscribe, be nice to each other, go out there, create your magic, use the links below, use the product tags, order one for yourself and try it and see what you think, and let me know in the comments. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.